What is up, YouTube, and welcome to this Super Soldier Serum Marvel Cinematic Universe video. So this will be explaining the Super Soldier Serum and its whole course throughout the Marvel Cinematic Universe. So the Super Soldier Serum was originally created by Abraham Erskine, and during the 1930s he actually worked on this in Germany. And during 1940, the formula was tested on a Johann Schmidt. This turned him into the Red Skull. And, well, later on, he actually joined the Strategic Scientific Reserve, which is the precursor to S.H.I.E.L.D. And he took part in Project Rebirth. This Project Rebirth was using Vita radiation, and this then led to Steve Rogers being selected for the person who will become the first subject of this brand new Project Rebirth. This led to him actually becoming Captain America. And, well, during this transformation for Captain America, he was, the creator of this serum was killed by Heinz Kruger, and, well, this meant that the creator of the serum was the last person to ever know how to successfully create a super soldier. Now, during 1943, James Barnes, aka Bucky Barnes, was captured by Hydra. This then led to him actually being experimented on, and Dr. Arnim Zola actually made him into a version of a super soldier, and he was injected with this kind of super soldier serum. Now, what happened was, Bucky was actually liberated by Captain America, and during 1945 they then had an attack on a train, which then led to Bucky falling, and then he was later captured and became the Winter Soldier. Now, in December of 1991, Hydra were ready to attack Howard Stark, because they were learned that Howard Stark had actually recreated the Super Soldier Serum, and then Barnes was sent to go and retrieve it. He now under the name the Winter Soldier, and this led to the assassination of poor old Howard Stark while he was carrying these serum. Now, this was meant to be sent to the Pentagon. Now, this was then taken by Hydra, and they created a brand new Winter Soldier program and created multiple super soldiers. And, well, they became the greatest and most elite death squad within Hydra. Now, General Thaddeus Ross in 2001 actually wanted to recreate this and set up another version of Project Rebirth. However, this attempt completely failed and led to Bruce Banner into being created as the Incredible Hulk. Now, he later fled, and in his pursuit was Emil Blonsky. Emil Blonsky was, of course, injected with this, and he became known as the Abomination. And then, up until then, there was no kind of look into the Super Soldier Serum, but in 2013, there was a version created called the Centipede Serum, and this serum was actually mixed with the Extremis virus and gamma radiation and created into some sort of cocktail of every sort of thing used within the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and this was on the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., and then it was incredibly unstable. And that is the history of the Super Soldier Serum within the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And as you can tell, everything is connected. That is it. I'll see you soon, and goodbye.